another video. I'm at Yaaman Adventure Park, and today guys, it's gonna be an awesome day. It's not my first time, it's going to be what, my third time, but that's supposed to just explain it. I just can't get enough. I'm back here guys, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. I'm gonna do a bunch of things, so stay tuned. And guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't, like this video, share this video, and of course leave a comment. Guys, they sell all different types of clothing and sandals. So if you come here and you want a change of clothes, no need to worry. There is clothing here for you to purchase. Not free, but for you to purchase. One love, Jamaica. I went through that mud with the bike, I felt like, you know, I was in some part of Africa. You know, the safari, and you know, you feel all of that vibe going on right there. The back is open. It was wicked, guys. It was wicked. It was amazing, amazing. So going on to something else. Stay tuned. We're down where the camels are now, so we're going to ride the camel. It's a great experience which I've had before. So, you know, I'm going to ride the camel for you guys to see everything how it goes, right? So, you know, just so you can see the whole experience. So, I remember one of the camel names, the last time when I came, I did the road Cindy. Now, Cindy have no manners. I don't even remember how she looked. But there's somewhere in the sun. There's somewhere in the sun. I don't want to ride Cindy today at all. I want to ride somebody else. I think I must Cindy that sit down there. So you see? Everybody else stand up and she sit down. Cindy! You see she not answer me? Hi. Which one is Cindy? You want to sit down? But, oh, Cindy that. Oh gosh, I hear me a call. I want the Cindy. But anyway, guys. So you see the camels, yes, camels, they are Jamaica, and only the Middle East you'll find camel. Camel is in Jamaica, so if you want to ride a camel, come down to Yaaman and enjoy the day with the camels. So Donovan, I can't believe you don't remember me, and this is like my what? Second time coming here.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, it's easier for you to remember me than me remember you.
Yeah, I see so many faces.
Not only that, I'm me alone and I will leave Anyway, here at the Camel Park, two person can ride one camel. You get a helmet to wear. You go on that mountain stand to go on the back of the camel.
Okay.
And one on the back of the camel, you hold on for life.
You hold on for life?
Yes.
Because what? They will gallop with you like a horse?
As a joke. Because you sit there doing nothing and you have a camel trainer that lead you as you go along.
Okay.
Then our next stop from here will be at the chapel.
The chapel?
Yeah, it's a church, non-denominational.
Yeah.
Built for the boys that go to the school.
Oh, so you're saying there's a boys' home here?
It's not really a boys' home, it's an all-boys school.
Yeah.
It's like a high school advanced, it's a military thing. So you can choose, like preparing for university.
Okay.
Yes. And if you didn't do well, they kick you out as student.
Okay, so it's government owned or privately?
No, privately owned. The owner, he built it and set it for free.
Wow.
The boys don't pay, but they have to bright. Smart, coming from poor-oriented, but
smart and not so privileged.
So after graduate, they don't ask them for nothing in return.
That's incredible.
All they try them to do, go help somebody because somebody helped you.
No, we can't go. Oh, yes. Let me see your answer. One, Katie. You alright? Eh? Hi, Katie. Your nose wants straighten. Come. Let me pet you. Katie, come here now. Why you going so? Katie, come here. Katie, man. Why you got camera shy? Katie. Katie, what? You turn your back? You have no manners. Katie. Kathy, or I'm not pronouncing your name right. Kathy? Oh God. Katie mode.
This is calling back everybody.
What was the name of my Camel? Cindy. Oh Jesus. Cindy, me get the last time you come here. Cindy, you remember my face? Cindy?
So I'm good for I am also
Cindy?
I'm a truck somewhere.
Cindy? Sister Cindy?
No, it's not a compliment for me.
Sister Cindy? You remember me? You like that? Cindy, you like that? road is so narrow, guys. 2 tractors can't pass on the road. Too narrow. So the oncoming tractor has to reverse. Even the pocket reverse.
And now he's going to press the gas. Hang on to your horse, please. Hang on to your gas pole.
Heading down to the river, guys. Bumpy ride.
One stop right there. And now he's officially back.
We are now at Secret River, and not so sure why it's called Secret River. The possibility that is because it's somewhat hidden, because you see the long journey that we had to take to find it, right? Or to come to. So, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the sound of the water, but it's flowing pretty heavy, moderately heavy, yeah. So, gonna get a duck in the water. So, let's do this, guys. Come, let's go. And yes, I'm using a live vest because I can't swim. I can't seem to save myself and to mention anyone else. Alright guys, let's go. So beautiful and tranquil. Waterfall too. Summer 2019. It was 2020. Yes, summer 2020. That is the waterfall, you see? Alright, then, woo! Whoa! Good guys, good.
All right.
towards where down to the water, down to the fall coming from. Not sure, but interesting question, guys. It's so beautiful.
Don't go too far.
Going into the bird aviary, guys. And look at those beauties. Hi. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Alright, guys, so. Whoa. Hey, hey. So, guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't, like this video, share this video, and of course leave a comment. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. See you now in the next video, guys.